Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Steffi. I want to show you guys some of my handmade jewelry. These are my nails from the Dollar Tree. They're really super nice, cute. I love pink lately. Have you noticed? So hit that like, subscribe, and comment if you like what you see. Let me know your favorite piece down below. Do a little bit of that ASMR. No, maybe another time. But yeah, I really like these nails. They're super long though. Let me know what you think down below. All right, let's get started. This first ring, I put a chain on it. It's gold wire. I wanted to hang a little chain on it to make something different. I was thinking maybe to take the chain and loop it to the other side like this, kind of like, so it's hanging like a U. And that's just a little pink stone. A tiny bicone bead. I think that's Swarovski, I believe I meant to say. I believe it's a little Swarovski crystal. I'll put that on so you can see. Maybe I shouldn't. I'm wearing a lot of rings. So let's take this off. My next video will be my next video will be a haul. I didn't want to tell you, but I might as well let you know. So you know. I'm not going to say exactly what haul it's going to be or what place, but it'll be in a few days or so. Yeah, so this is the ring. Put that on here so you can see. So it will hang like this. I make quite a few pieces, so I might have to do a two parts of this video. If you don't want it to hang like that, you turn it around. Sorry, hold on a second here. You just turn it around like this. And if you want, you can add another ring to it. Say I want to add this ring back, I would just put this ring here. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think with this chain thing. It's kind of like sliding down my finger. I can fix that though. So that's the one there. One of very many that I've made, and there's more to show. Lots more. This one is a flower, green, with silver wire wrapping. It almost looks like it would glow in the dark, but I really don't think it does. Let's try this finger. So that's what it looks like on. It doesn't go with the pink, but it's still pretty. I think it's cute. Here I got an orange flower with the gold wire. As you can see, I looped it around the flower. I think I made this one last time. I made some. I really like this rose. It's cute. I think I'd rather wear it this way, even though it looks good like that. Oh, wow. We're already in 4 minutes here. Almost 4 minutes. Here I got a bicone blue bead with silver wire wrapping. It's a little bit hard to do with these long nails, but I really, really like them. I'm not going to try every single one on because that'll take more time. Now with this one, I took some gold wire. I wrapped it around a mandrel. I made like a little flower there, and then I hooked this with the chain, and I made this part here. So the way you'd wear it is like this. Ooh, it might be small in there. Let me see. You put it on like a regular ring. That's what it is. And it would hang like that, or it can hang the other way. Sorry, that was the wrong way. It's supposed to hang like this, but I think it's a little bit too long, the chain. The chain might be too long, so let's just put it this way, the way it's supposed to be. There we go. Now the chain is twisted. Oh no. I better fix that. Let me fix it really quick. There we go. And presto. That's a little different, isn't it? What do you think? You think I should make it shorter, or you think it's too much or too heavy for a ring? I was just trying something different. I figured, why not try different things, see what happens. Like, I don't think anybody wants their ring having a blue stone hanging from it. I like it though. It's experimenting, right? There's another one of these big, huge, green, chunky ones. I had a little fun with this one. I did a little design there, zigzags. Ooh, I made that small. It's like a size 6, maybe 6.5, 7. I can maybe get it on this finger. Let's see. It went on. Really heavy. Like, not too heavy, but heavy enough. As I'm like, wow. It pops out a lot. You can't miss this one, that's for sure. I'm not sure if anybody will ever wear that, but this one's got 3 bicones, 3 different colors, pink, blue, and purplish. That one's really cute. I wasn't going to try it on, but I wanted to. With the marble pretty pink nails. Super cute. And we got about 100 more rings. Just kidding. Green rose with the silver wire wrapping on each side. This one I made a little thicker. I like to do them different all the time. Not always the same. I think next time I'm going to start doing little like letters on the side, or maybe if somebody wants their initials, I can put it on the side there. It'd be a little bit hard to do, but I can do it. Now look at this one. This one is another experiment, I should say. Experiment for fun. There was a really large stone. I was like, I really like the stone. What should I do with it? Should I make it into a pendant or just leave it for something else? This one I hung a little S, like I was just telling you, on the side. It looks kind of like a number 8, but it's an S. Let me pull this camera back a little bit. See how much that pops up. Wow. Ooh, I love the sparkle though. That would be Zech, C-Z-E-C-H. I never pronounced that right. I don't know why. And then here's another flower, rose, yellow. It's connected here, so you can adjust it. I usually put it on my middle finger, but you can try the second finger. Or the first finger, I meant to say. Next to the thumb. That one's cute. I like the gold with the yellow. It looks nice. Now I did some more chain rings here. This one's more simple. It's just the wire wrap type, and then I looped it on each end with the chain, and I put a little bicone bead there. Cubic zirconia, I think it is. No, sorry, not the cubic zirconia. What am I thinking? I'm thinking of the Swarovski, not the cubic zirconia. That one you can wear like this, or you can use it as a midi ring around here or here. Sorry about my dry hands. I didn't put no lotion. I just got this ring. It's beautiful. Look how much it sparkles. Wow. Holy moly. Sparkles more than this one. I really like that. But yeah, this is the ring I was talking about to begin with. I got sidetracked. Going almost on 10 minutes. All right, here is a flower looking gold stone. This is a plastic bead, it's not glass. Silver wire wrapping. That's what it looks like. It actually looks pretty cool. Wasn't so sure what I thought, like how I felt about this one. Let me know what you think down below. It's a nice ring. There's got to be a different way to display these, like maybe in a box or something. There is another chain. A few more chain ones. Just trying to get this untangled. I'm just going to show you them instead of putting everything on. So this one dangles like this. It's got the blue Swarovski. Yeah, Swarovski. That's what I meant to say. And I left a little ball that was hanging off of something else I had. And there's the chain. I might as well put it on, right? Because it doesn't look good unless you put it on. Well, it still looks good, but at least you can get an idea if I put it on, what it looks like. I think it's kind of cool with the chain. I think the chain should maybe be hooked, like I said, like a U on both sides of the wire. All right, this one is cool. Let me put this on. I hope I can do this with my nails. I'm going to pause for a second. All right, for this one, I had to kind of like take the camera off for a minute here. This one is a chain hooked to some chain I have already. I made a bracelet with it. Put that there. Clasp is there. And I put a chain along here and the wiring is on here. I also made this little piece of wire in that little dangly red piece there. You can put that in the front or the back. Just turning it to get to the front. So it looks like that. It's a little bit loose. I can make it tighter. If you can see like that or not. But you know what I mean? I'm trying. See what happens. Oh, maybe it's twisted. I have to like turn it like this to unravel it. That's what I need to do. Unravel, please. Yep, it was twisted like that. I have to untwist it. Because it was in a bag. I shouldn't store it like that. Okay. It's better now. So that's what it's supposed to look like when you wear it. You could put it down here more. Or you can have two of them. It is blurry now. So that's connected to the bracelet, to the ring. It's really cute. Moves around a lot though. Now to take this off. It's a little bit hard with the nail. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to do it. I hope so. I got this part. Now I need to take this part off my wrist. There goes one of my nails. It's, oh, I'm going to stick it back on after. Okay, so 13 minutes goes by. Not in a hurry or anything, I just was looking quick. So this is what it looks like when it's not on. That's the ring and that's the bracelet. Just push this back, everything. Okay, I'm looking through the camera. I should be looking at the table. Fix this thumb ring. See if it'll stay back on. Okay, it's going back on. And I made another one of those rings that I made before. I love making these V-shaped ones with the gold wire. It's just a simple, easy ring. You can file the ends of it so it doesn't scratch anybody. Here is a butterfly yellow ring with a gold wire. I wrapped it around here. I think it's super cute. What do you think? Down below, let me know. Ooh, I love that one. Perfect for summer. It looks like in the back. It's beautiful. I'm a little bit zoomed in, but it's okay. I'll zoom out next time. And I have this one here with little spinner things. I made this one before, this kind of ring with the silver wire. These spin, they move. Well, they don't have to, but they're a little bit stuck, to tell you the truth. That's a size 7.5, 8, so if it's there. I can pretty much tell because my ring finger here is an 8, a 7.5, 8 almost. But yeah, that one's really cute. Let me know if you think it's funky and weird and different. Which one is your favorite? And here I made the gold one again. The same gold bead, but I put some pink on the side. Some pink stones and the gold in the middle. It kind of pops out a lot. Something different, like I said. What do you think? Do you like? I'm not sure if I like this one. I think it pops out a little bit too much. I can change it or do something different there with that one. Well, I was making one ring and I kind of messed up, so I figured I'd try and make a different design. I came up with this. I don't know if it's a fish looking or a dragonfly. What do you guys think? Seriously. To me, it looks kind of like a fish. Turn it that way. I just wrapped it on the side there. It's a little bit tight. So yeah, it looks kind of like a fish. Here's a necklace that I started and did not finish yet. I just need to put some chain on each end. There is a green stone on the end. I wire wrapped that really quick. And I did these little S's, well, swirly shapes, and then these. I'll lay it out here so you can see better. So that would be, the part would be at the front of your neck, and then the chain would be on each end. Let's finish that up. These are like a pearly blue, and this is more like, well, this is like more like a turquoise color, and this is green. It doesn't really go right exactly, like they're not matching colors, but they still look good together to me. I like it. Looks pretty good. It's not completely done. Just need to add the chain, the gold chain, like that. And the last piece for now is this piece right here. 2 rings and a chain. Now this is the kind where you would just put this like this. And you would follow this ring through. And it doesn't look very good right now, does it? I just laugh. I'm laughing. You have to adjust the chain. There we go. I have pictures of it. There we go. That's what it looks like there. Let me know what you think. I don't know. I think it's pretty. I think it's different. I think it's cute. It stays on pretty good. It does get loose because it's chain. I can fix this bottom part by putting some more chain like I added on the top right here. Make it more snug. It'd be better on the middle finger. It's a little bit loose here. But yeah, that's all my rings. Those are all my designs. I think I like this one the best, even though it's a little bit like loose on the one finger. I do like this big chunky one, and I like the yellow flowers and the yellow butterfly. I really like these crystals like this. I like anything that's shiny and bigger, like stones that are big and shiny. You know, all the bling. So this is the longest video in a long time. I should do some long ones more often. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, comment, and take it easy. See you later. Bye.